Have you ever bungee jumped? That feeling when you jump off the bridge and you're like, oh, how am I going to do this? And you're excited, but at the same time, you're feeling stressed and overwhelmed. And you're like, oh, what happens if I crack my head open? What happens if the rope breaks? All these things going through your head. And then suddenly the rope catches you and you're okay. Because you know that you're not going to fall to your death. I know this sounds dramatic, but I mean, these are the thoughts that goes through your head when you bungee jump. You're not going to crack open your head, or you're not gonna break something because the rope is catching you, and you're going to be okay. And you can see slowly how the ground approaches you in a very gentle way, and you just gently reaches the ground and you stand up and you're feeling okay. And that feeling of overwhelm, that feeling when you're like, oh, I'm gonna hit the ground, I'm gonna smash up in my head, that feeling is how we sometimes feel as entrepreneurial parents. That overwhelm, that stress, that anxiety, like, crap, how am I actually going to do this? I want the rope to be the chaos code that I introduce. That feeling of systemized steps that you can implement every single day that help you to not feel that overwhelm. Hence the fact that I created a chaos code. Hence the fact that it's free, because I want to help a lot of entrepreneurial parents to feel the relief, to say that I got this, I have this under control. In today's video, I am going to give you a concept that you can use and implement in your family that's going to help you to not having to beg and plead your children all the time to do something, but where they just feel like rewarded for actually doing a task that you asked them to do. So you're not going to feel extra overwhelmed to go, oh, I've got so much work to do, but yet my children don't listen to me and I've got chaos all around me. Please do me a favor, hit the subscribe button, the bell button for more videos like this, and also do share this video to other people that can benefit. But most importantly, please do drop a comment below and let me know if this is helpful, because I would love to keep pumping out videos that helps you on your entrepreneurial journey. Let's dive a little bit into this concept and how this has actually helped me a lot to control the chaos around me. In this video, I'm introducing a star chart. Yes, a star chart. You're going to think, oh, Joy, I know all about the star chart. I've got friends using it. It's not working. Or I've tried it. It's not working. And yeah, I've heard about the concept, but I just don't have the time to think about this right now. But a star chart actually really helps us a lot. We've been using it for about 5.5 years. We started using it when my now 7-year-old was potty training. And in a very, very short amount of time, he actually learned how to potty train fully, 100%. And also my 3-year-old now, because we rewarded him with stars. So every time he went to the potty and every time he did his business, then he would get a star. And then after 5 stars, he would get a car. Now, use your discretion. If you feel like it should be 10 stars, then 10 stars. But we tried 10 stars, but it just feels like it's just a little bit too long to get there. Keep in mind that a star chart of a 3-year-old is going to look completely different than a star chart of a 7-year-old. Like, for example, my 7-year-old, he is now learning how to read and write. Well, he's pretty good at it already, but he gets rewarded for those type of tasks, where the 3-year-old more gets rewarded for picking up toys, etc. Also, not rewarding your kids with just stars left, right, and center, but manage it on a routine. Like you, for example, you finish your morning routine, you get a star. Morning routine involves getting dressed, going to the breakfast table, getting your shoes on, brushing your teeth. That's a morning routine. That all includes 1 star. If you keep your room tidy for the whole day, or make sure there's no toys lying around when it's dinner time, all the toys are picked up and without mommy having to ask you, that's a star. All those little things that helps you to just get chaos like controlled around you, that really makes a big difference. I don't want to dive into too much detail on this. I just want you to understand the concept of the star chart and how we use it to help us in our family and how it helps us to control the chaos. I created a chaos code to help entrepreneurial parents to feel less stressed and overwhelmed. And little things like the star chart and lots more other videos to come in future, that's going to help you to do exactly that. So for more videos like this, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the bell button for more videos like this in future. And also don't forget to ask questions in the comments. I do love to answer the questions. And if you have better suggestions, please reach out to me. We'll have a chat and we can always negotiate those as well. Hope you have a great dinner, breakfast, lunch, wherever you are in the world. And remember, don't forget to download your free Chaos Code workbook at unleashyourfocus.com. And I'll chat to you in the next video. Cheers.